Hi my dear boys and girls, I welcome you all to this online session. I think you would have enjoyed your Diwali holidays, isn't it? Okay, now this is time to come back to our online class. In this session, you are going to listen to two subjects. One is English, the other is Maths. In English, I am going to teach you the letters F and G. Then you are going to listen to a rhyme, animal, chatter. At last, I am going to teach you how to do your worksheet. Are you ready? Come, let's learn. Now, this is your book 3. Book 3 and animals. And in this book, you have to take page number 6. Page number 6. This is letter F. F, if. F, if. F for fan. In this term, you have to spell the word and read. Keep your finger under the word and read. F, A, N, fan. I'll repeat it again. F, A, N, fan. F for fan. F, E, A, T, H, E, R, feather. F, E, A, T, H, E, R, feather. F for feather. F, I, G, fig. F, I, G, fig. F for fig. F, O, R, K, fork. F, O, R, K, fork. F for fork. F, I, S, H, fish. F, I, S, H, fish. F for fish. F, O, X, fox. F, O, X, fox. F for fox. F for fan. F for feather. F for fig. F for fork. F for fish. F for fox. And the sound of letter F is if. If. The next letter is letter G. It is in page number 10. Letter G, G. Letter G sounds G. G, O, A, T, goat. G, O, A, T, goat. G for goat. G for goat. G, O, O, S, E, goose. G, O, O, S, E, goose. G for goose. G for goose. G, I, F, T, gift. G, I, F, T, gift. G for gift. G for gift. G, A, R, D, E, N, garden. G, A, R, D, E, N, garden. G for garden. G for garden. G, O, R, I, L, L, A, gorilla. G, O, R, I, L, L, A, gorilla. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. G, A, P, gap. G, A, P, gap. G for gap. G for gap. G for goat, G for goose, G for gift, G for garden, G for gorilla, G for gap, and the sound for the letter G is G. This is how you must read these words. Now this is a time for rhymes. Are you ready to listen to a rhyme? Children, have you ever heard of animals talking? Yes. Now here is a poem to say how does animals talk. Animal chatter. A dog can bark. A bee can buzz. A cow can moo. A cat can meow. A tiger can roar. A parrot can quack. A bear can growl. Hoot, says an owl. A snake can hiss. A sheep can bleat. A donkey can bray. A horse can neigh. I can do all this. How about you? A dog can bark, a bee can buzz, a cow can moo, a cat can meow, a tiger can roar, a parrot can quack, a bear can growl. Hoot, says an owl. A snake can hiss, a sheep can bleat, a donkey can bray, a horse can neigh. I can do all this. How about you? This is your worksheet number 1 and we are going to do this worksheet. Roman number 1, circle D letter, capital letter I and small letter I, and capital letter J and small letter j. Now you have to circle all the capital letter and small letter I and small letter and capital letter j. See here, now this is small letter j, small letter I, small letter j, capital letter I, capital letter j, capital letter I, capital letter I, capital letter j, and small letter j, capital letter j, small letter j, capital letter I, small letter j, small letter I. That's all. Yes, we have finished this page. This is how you must do this first page. Turn to the next page, Roman number 2. Match the word to the picture. So you must read these words and match to the picture given on the other side. Number 1, F-I-S-H, fish. Now look, where is the fish picture? Yes, it is here. So draw a line from the word to the picture fish. Number 2, G-O-O-S-E, goose. See, where is the picture of goose? It's here. Now draw a line from the word goose to the picture goose. Number 3, G-O-A-T, goat. Where is the goat picture? It is here. So draw a line from the word goat to the picture goat. Number 4, F-O-R-K, fork. Where is the picture fork? It's here. So draw a line from the word fork to the picture fork. The fifth one is G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. It is here. Now draw a line like this. This is how you must do Roman number 2 And coming to Roman number 3, read the heading before that. Trace the letters. So, you are going to trace these letters, that is letter I, N, M and C. When you are tracing, you must be careful and trace it properly. Now, see here, write small slanting line, come down on the same line and bend a little and keep a dot I. Slanting line, come down on the same line, bend a little, dot I. This is letter I. Then letter N, write a small slanting line, write a straight line, go on the same line, bend a little, come down and bend a little. This is letter N. Write a slanting line, straight line, go above on the same line, come down and bend a little. This is letter N. What letter is this? This is letter N. Then M. M. See here, write a slanting line, straight line, go up, bend a little, standing line, again go up, come down, bend a little. This is M. Slanting line, straight line, go up, bend straight line, go up, bend a little. This is M. What letter is this? This is letter M. Then letter C. Write a slanting line, then write a right curve. Slanting line, right curve. This is letter C. What letter is this? Letter C. This is how you have to complete your worksheet number 1 in English.
Hello children, this is your Maths class. In today's class, you are going to learn the numbers and the concept of big and small. At last, you are going to learn how to do your Maths worksheet number 1. Come, let's spell the word Maths. M A T H S, Maths. Now, I am going to revise the numbers 1 to 20. Now, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Children, now you are going to learn the concept of big and small. Come, let's learn. Children, look at these carrots. Are these same? No. This carrot is big. This carrot is small. Big, small. Look at these oranges. Can you say which one is big? Yes, this orange is big and this orange is small. What are these, children? These are balls. See, this ball is big and this ball is small. Children, this is your book 2, all about me. Take this book, page number 29. So, here is our concept, big and small. Shall we spell the word big and small? Come. B-I-G, big. And S-M-A-L-L, small. Big and small. What is this? This is a bed. This is Rini's bed. And this is Rini's grandma's bed. Children, can you tell me which bed is big? Yes, Rinny's grandma's bed is big and Rinny's bed is small. Here you are going to color the big objects. We will do this exercise in our Zoom class. Children, this is your Maths worksheet number 1. Roman number 1. Shall we read the heading? Keep your finger like this and read like me. C O U N T, count. And M A T C H, match. Count and match. Number 1. Look here, how many kittens are here? Count the kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 kittens. Where is number 4? Yes, this is number 4. So, take your pencil and match like this. Number 2. These are trees. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. Where is number 3? Here it is. So, match them. Number 3. These are balloons. Count the balloons. 1, 2. Here are 2 balloons. So, where is number 2? This is number 2. So, match them. Number 4. This is a house. How many houses here? Here is 1 house. So, where is number 1? This is number 1. So, match it. Number 5. These are balls. So, count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. This is number 5. So, match it. Next, Roman number 2. C I R C L E, circle. The B I G, big. O B J E C T, object. Circle the big object. Look at these balloons. Are they same? No. Can you tell me which balloon is big? This balloon is big. So, you have to circle this balloon like this. Letter B. These are birthday caps. Which birthday cap is big? Yes, this birthday cap is big. So, you have to circle this cap. Roman number 3. C I R C L E, circle. The S M A L L, small. O B J E C T, object. Circle the small object. Letter A. What are these? These are balls. Now, can you tell me, children, which ball is small. Yes, this ball is small. So, circle the small ball. Letter B. These are pots. Can you tell me which pot is small? Yes, this pot is small. So, circle the small pot. Next, Roman number 4. T R A C I N G, tracing. Children, now I am going to tell you how to trace the number 1. So, this is number 1. See, leave a box, keep your pencil in the middle of the box, write vertical line like this. Okay, you must touch the line. Leave a box, again vertical line. Leave a box, vertical line. Leave a box, vertical line. Leave a box, vertical line. So, what number is this, children? This is number 1. Okay, we will complete this worksheet in our Zoom class. Next, number 2. What number is this? Number 2. Now, you are going to trace the number 2. Leave a box, keep your pencil in the middle of the box, write a left curve, touch the line and draw a horizontal line. This is number 2. Leave a box, left curve, touch the line, then write a horizontal line. Leave a line, keep your pencil in the middle of the box, write a left curve, touch the line and write a horizontal line on the line. Okay, on the line, not above the line, on the line. Leave a box, left curve, horizontal line. Number 2. Leave a box, left curve, touch the line, horizontal line. Number 2. So, we will complete this worksheet in our Zoom class. Children, this is your My Magic Book of Coloring. Take this book, take page number 12. See children, this is a bunch of grapes. Children, what is the color of this grape? Yeah, it's purple. So, you have to color this picture with purple and green. This is your assignment. Color this picture at your home. Hey children, did you all listen the class? Please practice the habit of reading and writing. Meet you in the next class. Take care. See you.